and psychological ties that bind mother and children are fundamental to the child's mental development. During pregnancy, until recently research, the primary focus on the mother's mental health and her baby was given. Parental depression or anxiety could lead to neglectful behaviors causing future mental disorders in a child. However, recent researches shows that a mother's mental health can affect her baby while she is pregnant. Researchers also shows that babies born to mother who was depressed while she was pregnant have lower birth weight. So if a mother experiences mental health problems, this can affect the way they are able to bond with and care for the child. This can have an impact on child's intellectual, emotional and social behavior. Mothers are guardians angel for their children.